have a new extension here. So I'm gonna cut that out, get that out of the way.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
So I'm getting this rear door fit up. I want to make sure it fit up to this cab corner correctly. And it looks like it is. And I already fit this bottom molding on here to make sure that lines up correctly. So I'm going to do a little glaze work on this area, and that will finish up the cab. And then I will get into this bedside repair here. Alright, now the cab of this truck is all ready for primer. But before I prime it, I'm going to go ahead and get into this bedside repair. I'm going to first cut, I have a new extension here. So I'm going to cut that out, get that out of the way, and then I'll start working the side panel and get it straightened out. Well, this bedside turned out really good actually. The metal came out really nice. I had clamped this extension up in here just to make it sturdy. You guys can see that's all loose without that in there. But now that I got the side straightened out, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this rivet bonded in there permanently. And then I'll let the glue dry and get the side all primed up. What's that? Oh, definitely.